Hi everyone, this is Mustafa Ahmed, and in this course we'll talk about the production engineering. We'll try to cover these topics. First, I'll try to give you an introduction about the well completions, completion string, control completion, sound control completion, artificial lift completions, the tools and procedure for perforating, explosive for perforating, surface Christmas tree, subsea completion, and finally we'll talk about fluids of completion. It's 9 lectures, but it will be more than 9 videos because maximum I'll make the video 10 to 15 minutes. I don't want to make it longer, so it will be more than 9 videos. I'll put you these lectures in my Telegram channel, and you can find the link in the description. So let's start with the first lecture, which is the introduction of well completion. Let's start with the types of wells and completions. As you know that we have many types of wells. We have vertical, deviated, and horizontal wells. So we'll talk about the completions in vertical wells, completions in deviated wells, and horizontal wells completions. Then we'll talk about the extended reach well profile, multi-layer wells. Okay, so let's start with vertical wells. As you can see here, there is vertical wells has been drilled in formation where we have cap, rock, and basement. The well is perforated too. So let's talk about this. I want to explain something here. If we have thick formation and thin formation, so vertical wells will be good choice if we drill if is drilled here in this formation where it's thick. But here, if we drill vertical well, we won't get more area with the formation, and we will get the problem will be bigger if we have aquifer here and gas formation or gas cap at the top of the formation. So corner problem will happen faster. But here we can get time before corner problem has happened. If we have gas cap here and water zone here. So as you can see, the area with the formation is more than this area. But here in thin formations, the best is the best choice is to drill vertical horizontal wells, so we can get more area and with the formation, and the corner problem won't happen faster. So this is the difference between them, and this is the benefit of horizontal wells too. So let's go back here, and here if we drill it in horizontal formation, we won't get a greater productivity benefit, may catch unwanted water or gas, as I've talked here, because corner problem will happen faster because the formation is thin. And preferred for fracturing. So this is the vertical well. In vertical wells, we have 2 types of completions: open hole completions and perforated completions. In open hole completions, we have 2 types. Either we can produce from the open hole without any screen, or here we have gravel. It's called a gravel back completion. We put screen between the wellbore and the formation to prevent the sand flow especially we use this completion if we have unconsolidated formation. So this is the benefit of the screen. In perforated completions, we have two types: cemented casing or cemented linear. Cemented linear when we start from the last cemented casing. So here, if we drill and case this section, then we start from where we end, and we case this section. And here in cemented casing, we have cemented or the well is cemented from the bottom till the top. Okay, let's start with deviated well for profile. So why? First thing we have to know, why should we drill deviated wells? As I've talked before, sometimes we need to drill in thin formation. So this is the vertical well. We can get benefit from deviated well because if we drill in this formation, the length of the penetrated well in the formation will be higher than this or longer than this. So it's like the horizontal well. If we drill horizontal well, and if we drill, of course, if we drill horizontal well, will be the area will be bigger. So it has the same benefit of horizontal wells. I've mentioned, or I've talked about this. It's to prevent corner problems and to get more contact area with the formation. So this is the benefit of deviated wells. Okay, general, the deviated wells start from 0 to 90 degree. So the area will be like from 0 to 90 degree. This is the area of deviated wells. If it's 90 degree, the well is horizontal. So let's see the problems of deviated wells. The issue with wire line work beyond the 65 degree. It means that when we drop, let me do this. So this is the vertical well. As you know that when we do login or wire line, we pull the tools from the top, from the bottom to the top. Then this tool will record the variation, or depending on the variation of the formation and whatever we have. But in deviated wells, okay, so let's say this is the 65 degree. So if we drill in angle more than 65, we can't do login or do wire line, because here we have some problems here in this area. So it will be fraction between the area and wellbore, so they need to use another technique. It's called tracker log. I'll talk about these things in login course, but you have to know that there is a problem with the wells that has degree more than 65. Okay, so here we have finally the horizontal wells, and I've already talked about horizontal wells and why should we drill horizontal well. If we have water zone and gas cap here, the contact area between the wellbore and the formation will be higher than if we drill well in vertical. If we drill vertical well, the area will be higher than the vertical well. So this is what I have for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.